Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday here at Mount Gravatt Mazda. My name's Ebony and today I'm going to show you how to use Android Auto in your new car. Firstly, you're going to take your cable and open your center console and plug in your USB. You want to make sure when you plug your phone in that it is with the icon of the phone. That's the cable used to activate Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. For the first time of use, you want to make sure your phone is unlocked and plug your phone in. It'll pop up with some prompts to take you through Android Auto, agree and accept, activate on your screen, and Android Auto will take over from there. Once Android Auto has activated on your screen, you can use your control hub in the center of the dash to operate and maintain it through like you would your standard Mazda Connect system. You can also go back to your Mazda system by using the exit button to go back between the two different options. You can also then use voice command for directions, phone calls and text messages, as well as your favorite playlist. Directions to Mount Gravatt Mazda.
Your work is 1 minute from your location by car in light traffic.
And just like that, we're ready to go back to work. Thank you for watching Tips and Tricks Tuesday here at Mount Gravatt Mazda. My name's Ebony. We'll make it happen.